we're gonna have to use this little mic because I'm lazy
You're gonna
today.
hold it like that?
Yeah, why not?
Okay. Okay, I need my sunglasses. It's
Such a
too
diva.
bright. So. Hey everyone, my name's Fawn.
And this is Eli.
And we are RV East Coast, and we just have some really quick, exciting stuff to announce today.
Exciting for sure.
Yes.
Riveting.
So tomorrow, Monday, we have a new video coming out. It's on your trip with the kids to...
Barefoot Acres Farm. We went boondocking and it was
Yeah.
really amazing. So that's coming up tomorrow.
Yeah, I was with my girls having a girls' night out, so I wasn't in the video. So, okay, and also we've talked about t-shirts for a couple times. We have finally launched them. We started them this week, and the campaign will go to the end of June. So it's on Bonfire. We'll put the link in the description below.
Yep.
If you want an RV East Coast t-shirt, long sleeve shirt, sweatshirt for camping, yeah, go buy one. We have lots of colors and stuff.
Yeah, when the campaign for the t-shirts is not live, we get a ton of requests of people wanting to buy them.
Yeah.
So if you want them, this is your time. It's just for a limited time. So
Yeah, just till the end of June. I think it's June 30th that the campaign
you know what?
closes.
Don't wait. Just go get it now. Don't leave it for later. And one more thing, we have some good content coming in the Facebook group, right?
Yes, we are. I know we've also talked about this a couple times, but we are going to launch tomorrow or today, whenever you're seeing this video. We're going to launch a contest for the funniest, what do we say? Not ugliest, because I feel like that's a
Campground
little
fashion.
offensive. Yeah, you probably know what we're
Explain
talking
yourself. What is that about?
Well, you know, especially in the mornings when you first wake up, you kind of go out in whatever
Walk
you
your
can
dog,
grab.
looking at your best.
Yeah, we've all either seen it or done it.
Yeah.
We have some photos of ourselves.
Yeah,
in
looking great.
attire. Yeah. So send us your funniest campground, or if you see somebody else, maybe.
Yeah.
Only with their permission.
Go find it on Facebook. You cannot post it here. And we are also announcing the winner for that on Facebook. What's going to be the prize, right?
So the prize is a custom-made
RV East Coast
RV
t-shirt.
t-shirt.
We actually have it right here. It's going to be homemade. So here at home, we're going to put the RV East Coast logo.
Yeah.
In the sleeve, we can put your
name.
name if you want to. And we are also send some of the RV East Coast stickers out with it.
We'll get the size you need, so don't be distracted by,
Yeah.
this size.
Because this
if you're-
one, I might keep that one.
Yeah,
Oh, I should have gotten a medium for myself.
Oh, right.
But listen, the point of this contest is just,
To have fun.
not
To
to
laugh
take
at
ourselves
ourselves.
too serious.
Yeah.
So,
It's like people of Walmart, but people of the campground.
yeah, people of the campground. So
Yeah, like Eli said, we have stickers too. If you want to buy these, you just send us a message on Facebook. We'll be happy to send them out to you and send you our PayPal link.
yeah, so
Make a great
you are an advertisement monster today. Anyways, new video tomorrow. Really good boondocking experience with Harvest Host. And yeah, that's what we have. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Hola, saludos. ¿Cómo están?
stop it. Okay, ready?
We haven't done this in a while. Hey everybody, welcome back. This is RV East Coast.
I don't think you need to say that.
Okay.
Honestly.